Hi, good evening, guys. This is Avinash Sharma, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Happy Riders Vlog. So first of all, I would it's kind of like an intro about what it is and how it is going to be. So as you all guys are aware about all the COVID situation and everything, so there was this thing in my mind that I always wanted to go to the places, explore and do travel and all this YouTube thing, but you got many things in life, so you got trapped in either one thing or the other. Why am I moving the camera? I have no fucking idea. I'm sorry. This is the first time, so you pardon me, guys. Okay, so yeah, you have no idea what to do and what not to do. So I got pretty much got engaged with my regular stuff. But these Corona times, it reminded me that life is too short. You never know what's going to happen. Anything can happen at any moment. If you are living in this moment, you should be very much thankful to the Almighty and utilize it. Be happy, cherish it as much as possible. So yeah, I am going to do that all. I have got this thing during this whole lockdown and COVID period, and like it said, yeah, YOLO, you only live once. So I'm going to do that. So basically, coming back to the point, Happy Rider Vlogs is all about traveling. It's all about lifestyle. It's all about rides. Basically, I am a car enthusiast, guys. I should let you know. I love car. I also love bikes though, but then I had a special place for the car. I love to ride. I have done many crazy rides. I will let you know on the other videos about my previous good rides. And now I am going to take you guys with me whenever I am on travel or I am riding, and I have pretty much different types of vehicle and different different choice for different types of vehicle, from SUV to sedan to all other sorts of things. And why I choose 30th of April? First of all, I let you know it is my birthday. Yeah, it's kind of a small decoration that my wife did for me. She even got all these balloons and everything. So I choose this thing because today I'm turning 29 and I think it can't be anything better than this. Yeah, that's my wife, and that's us. We got 2 years back. You got married. Yeah, we are happy. So yeah, now I'm doing this thing. I'll be putting out vlogs. I'm not sure how much regularity I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try to do as much as possible. At least 2 times a week. That would be my basic target for as of for now. And like I said, it would be all about lifestyle. It would be about traveling. It would be about exploring new places. It would be about rides and different types of vehicle, cars and all. Well, basically, I'm a car enthusiastic guy, so you guys can take an idea of how it's going to be. I think it's going to be interesting. बाकी यार आप हो, जनता जनार्दन है, आप लोग सर्वे करवाओ. But you guys let me know how it is going. If you need to change something about my vlogs, about quality or about the way I'm delivering the speeches or the cinematography or something to like that, so we'll figure it out eventually during the journey. So this is just a kickstart. I gave you a basic introduction. So first thing first, I got some good crazy gift for my birthday. I should start doing the unboxing. First of all, I got this Series 6 iWatch from my brother Akshay. Thanks so much. I wanted, last time I had was a 3 series, so I got an upgradation from 3 to 6. It's a massive dial, I must say. And then having said that, I also got, holy shit, I thought they were just sneakers, but she has got some me a gift. I think I'd read it personally. I would not like to share it, but yeah, we should do it. Not just cars. I'm crazy about watches and sneakers. First love is car, second love is watch, and third love is sneakers. Well, I'm sorry. Second position is a quite competitive, as it's being shared by sneakers and watch at the same time. But first is car. So, having said that, I got this new Puma. Go Boleros! It looks really cool. I first time saw these when when one of my well-known friend got these shoes. So I was pretty much excited about those, and I got these. Yay! Second of all, it fell down. I'll keep it. Yep. Second line is the Adidas sneaker. It's just a basic white sneaker with the green highlights. Yay! See, basically, white sneaker is something that you can wear on everyday basis. It's very cool. It's very comfy. And yeah, it's good to go. You, no matter whether you're wearing a tee or a jogger or a trouser, like as if I'm wearing this outfit, just a casual t-shirt and a jogger, then if you have these, good to go. Good. And I can see one more thing. Nah. Fuck. She just always surprises me. Just always. It's a CK t-shirt. She always does that. So much thank you, so much. So this was all about today's gift that I did a very what should I say? It was very informal or very pathetic unboxing. But yeah, it's okay. It's first video. चलता है यार पहली चीज है चलता है. I'm keep adjusting my hair because it got wet and now they are almost. So like I told you about, it is Happy Riders vlog, and I will let you know all about it. And basically I gave you a lump sum tentative idea what is all about and how it's going to be. So let's see how it keep on going, and while on the journey I will let you know what are the different things that I am looking about in my life, whether it is about my business, my life, and what are all the other things that I do on a regular basis. So as of now, peace out. I'll see you soon.